Let me tell you how my vision board worked. Okay, so the top one is my vision board from September through December of 2024. I broke up my board into different sections and quadrants and things, and I won't show you everything because y'all don't need to know all my business. But I'll show you the things that I was just telling my friend. Like, oh, I updated the pictures on my vision board, and she thought this was amazing, so I thought I would share it with you guys. So I knew I had a show in Seattle, so I put that on there because that was gonna come to fruition. We needed some momentum to get the rest of the stuff going. So then I thought, where else do I wanna go? Chicago. I was gonna do some scouting for a movie that I was developing. I've also always wanted to do tennis, and I always wanted to get a bike, like an electric bike. I'm not trying to do all that biking, but why not have a bike? And then I had some other stuff over here. November to December, I added it because I still wanted to go to Chicago, and I added the bean, but I knew that a show was coming up in Atlanta, and I wanted to do it, so I put Atlanta there. I actually did that. I should put a picture of me in Atlanta. And then I still want to do some tennis, and the bike was already there. But the best part about this is that as the months progressed, as the time progressed, I started to narrow down exactly what I wanted, right? Because the Northern Lights weren't as important to me as Chicago. So then I added the bean because I wanted to be there more. And I had just finished my Seattle trip, so I already had the momentum going of actually accomplishing something on my vision board. If you have something on your vision board, the benefits of doing a digital one is that you can edit it as much as you want. I was editing every 2 months, or as soon as I would accomplish something really big, then I would change the picture, or I would take it out, or I'd do that. So I think refining it was the best way of doing it because I was intentionally visiting these goals and saying, what have I done, what haven't I done? And the most important part was revisiting it and saying, how am I going to actively work on making this happen? That was the part. Okay, so here's from fall 2025. Your girl was in Chicago in the summer of 2025. She summered in Chicago. I went to the bean. Right there. I was up in the bean, baby, and I was on the riverfront. But this is my favorite picture from the whole summer in Chicago, so I thought I'd put it there because I was really excited. And at some point, I don't know where it came from, but I became obsessed with seeing dinosaur bones. So then I posted that picture of me at the Field Museum because lo and behold, there were dinosaur bones in Chicago. And then I had to post a picture of me playing tennis because your girl, after a year, has been playing tennis. I started taking private tennis lessons in June, so that was less than a year for that. And literally, this was from September of 2024 till September 2025. And I've done a couple of things on my list. Where is that? Community was on my other boards, but just in a different place. And I've built a community in Los Angeles, and that's on there. So your next goal for me, my next goal is to sell a script. And I just had a meeting today, and I just pitched them a show idea. It's not a script. It's not the one that I was researching Chicago for, but baby, let's sell a script. Let's sell a script. Oh my gosh. Literally seeing this as my screensaver on my computer every day reminded me of all the things I want to do. And I made the tennis up here big, and things that I really wanted to do and highlight big, and some of the other things I made them smaller. So the priority for me was to start getting active and play tennis again, and I did it, and here I am. And so I'm really excited. I'm really proud of myself. And what's on your vision board for 2025? This is the time to finish the year strong. What are you going to put on your vision board so that next year this time you could be telling me what you accomplished on your vision board? My favorite part about my vision board is just uploading pictures of me realizing these dreams because they can't happen. And by putting it on my computer screensaver, I was able to just see it every day while I was working, while I was not working, while I was taking a break. The screensaver would come up and I would just have all these things. It would remind me of exactly what I wanted to do and what I wanted to be accomplishing. So this is a really great way to let you know that vision boards work. They work in 2024 and they work in 2025, and you can live all the things you want to do. You can live out all the things you want to do. You can do it. I believe in you. So I believe in you.